Hey SMMA Freelancers. Choosing the right CRM can make or break your business. Today we're comparing GoHighLevel and HubSpot to see which one's best for you. Let's keep this quick and simple. First up, GoHighLevel. It's an all-in-one platform built for marketing agencies. You get tools for CRM, email marketing, SMS, sales funnels, and even website building. It's great for managing multiple clients with features like white labeling, where you can brand the platform as your own. Pricing starts at $97 a month, and the freelancer plan at $297 gives unlimited sub-accounts, perfect for scaling. It's powerful but can feel a bit complex for beginners. Next, HubSpot. It's a well-known CRM with a free plan that's awesome for startups. You get contact management, email campaigns, and sales tracking. It's super easy to use with a clean interface and tons of integrations. But as you grow, costs can climb fast. Think $50 a month for the startup plan, up to $800 for advanced features. It's best for businesses focused on inbound marketing. So which is better for SMMA freelancers? GoHighLevel is your go-to if you manage multiple clients and need affordable, all-in-one tools with white labeling. It's budget-friendly and scales well. HubSpot shines for solo freelancers or small teams who want a simple, free CRM to start, but costs add up as you grow. If you're new and keep it simple, HubSpot's ease wins. For client-heavy agencies, GoHighLevel's value is hard to beat. That's it. Pick GoHighLevel for client management and affordability, or HubSpot for simplicity and a free start. Drop a comment with your favorite CRM and subscribe for more tips.